welcome to a new video. Today is about Revit again. So my name is Roland. I study civil engineering, and from time to time I like to share my my exercise on Revit. So I don't have so much experience, but what I'm learning, I'm trying to share it with you. So if you are passing, you see my video, just click a like for the support. You can also subscribe, because I'm doing video from time to time, maybe 2 times Revit video, and also course is, and sometime about Power BI. So today is a new exercise. I'm gonna start. The Revit is already open, so let's just start. Okay, open a new project. Like you see, I will just click new and then open it here. Okay, and now you have a project here. We have to wait a little bit so that the program will be ready. The program have to be ready, so that is why we are taking a little bit time. Okay, our program is ready. This is the message we get every time we open Revit. What we will do is just to delete the message if after reading it. So we will just delete the message. And now what to do is to start to plan our building. So we have to plan the building. That is why we will open the views. We will open one of the views, maybe the south, like I used to do. Is the views I'm using the most. So this is the place where we have to plan our building. Okay, when we open the views, now we will create the place for our foundation. This is how we want to create the place for our foundation. So we will just copy and move a little bit the level. So this, what you see, this line you see are levels. So we have, let me reduce it a little bit. I'll reduce the level so that we will not have it so big for nothing. I think now it's not so bad. Okay, it's what we have. This is level we have. We will copy and move it to create a place for our foundation and another type of the building. So we choose it. We just have to copy it. Now we copy and we give how big our foundation and ceiling will be. So I will give 303 and then enter. When I finish, I can click on escape, and now you have this place here. I can come at this place and give the name, or change the name, or even change the number, so that I will recognize the time I will start to work. Okay, so I will remove this part because we don't want any underground building, any underground step. So I will just remove it. Yes, I want to remove it, and this is what we have now. I'll create another level here, like you see. When I want to create the level, I will just click, I will just double tap L, double click L, and then we have, if I want my level to have like to be 3 meter high, I'll just enter 3 and click enter, and now I can confirm here. When I finish, I can click escape, and now I have my first level. The first level will be here. The second, this is a 0 levels, this is the down level, and the first level will be here. So my building will have like one level building, and here we will have our roof. This is the place for roof. So now that I finish it, I can change the name. Like I said, this is level, let us say level 0. Can change the name and have here level or let me call it foundation, level foundation, F. Okay, when I finish, I can click OK. We have the foundation here, and here we have, this will be you can also give the name here, change the name and say okay, this is for ceiling 1. I don't know if there is 2, but I think it's just 1. So when you finish here, you can confirm. You have here our first level, and here from here will be the roof. So will be the roof, so we just put here roof. Okay, I can click OK, and now everything is ready. So this level will just be the place where we will stop the roof. I can reduce it a little bit, like 2.5 is okay. Okay, when we finish to plan, the time we finish to plan our building, we can start to build. Okay, we will go back at the level 0. This is the level 0, and now we can start with the foundation. We will start with the slab floor foundation. That is this one. Yes. So we'll just click on it, and then we can start to build our foundation. So now we have to check where we want our foundation to be. So we want it to be here. We click that and we enter the how big our foundation will be. So we enter it here, and we are ready to start. So we will choose to build with this, and let us take 15 here, and like 20 here. I think it's too small. Let us make a little bit bigger. 30 or 40. No. Yes, I think it's okay. A small house, and we have here, and we can close. When we finish, we can confirm here. We can confirm and say here. Let us check if everything is okay. Let me check again. No, it's not okay. Escape. Delete. Now I can choose this one, and I will combine the two. Okay, let me try it again. Okay, now everything is okay, you can see it. Let us check in 3D. In 3D is what we have, you see. And inside, yes, everything is okay, and the foundation is at the place we want it to be. So we go back here, we go back, and now we will start to design the walls. So we will go back to architect, and choose the walls. Which kind of walls do we want to use? So we will use concrete 200, and we can start. We can give here, okay, we want it like 0.3 meter inside. So now we can start. Check, and then when we finish we can close. Let us check what we have, if everything is okay. Okay, this is what we have. Everything seems to be okay. So now we can go back to our place, to our level 0, and then continue the design. We can divide our building in two. Divide the building in two. At this place we'll make like a kitchen. Escape, and let me okay. Now we can divide again. This will be like, okay, we have here the kitchen, the parlor, and so, and here we'll have like this is a little bit big, but we can manage it. So here we have like 2 rooms, and the same here. And you have a small place here again for the kitchen and the toilet. Let me reduce this. Okay, now that we finish it, the building is a little bit big, but that is not a problem. Now that we finish this level, we can build our ceiling. So it's now the time to put the ceiling on our building. So we go back here. This is ceiling place, so we go back here, and let me close it first and come back here. And now we will choose where we want our ceiling to be built. So now we will start like, okay, we want it 0.3. Let me go back a little bit and start. Let me go out. Yeah. Okay. And I will give 0.3. Now I can start. and then when I finish, let me choose the level again, ceiling, and give 0.3 and use, and when I finish it I can click enter. And what do we have? Let me check if everything is okay. Yes, just let me check into the yes. So the only thing is that we have this is 200, we want 3. So if you have it like this, it's okay. Now we can go back. And we will copy the we will use the function copy, or even if we don't want to copy it, copy function, and let me take it again. Okay, let us continue the way we can have it easy. So we finish this place, and now we go back here. We can continue our up level with will be start to descend. This is for level 1. I think it, let me check it again. We have here level 1. Yes, level 1. So we will now change and open the level 1. This is the level 1. We will start to build our level 1. So let me go back, and what do I have? We'll start to let me check. This is, yeah, we'll start to level 1. Start to level 1 and finish to the roof. Yes. Level 1. Start to level 1, yes, and end to the roof. Okay. Now we can try it again, and okay, when you finish it, you can close it. Let me check if everything is okay. In 3D, we have it here. This is okay. This is okay for me. We can go back to level 1 and now start to divide like we did in the first level. So the same like we did it in the level 0. The same, we are about to finish, and escape. The same. Okay. On now we can check it again to see. Yes, we have it. It's good what we are doing. And now that we finished this, it's time to put the doors and windows and everything we want. So we will put doors level 1. We start with level 1. Okay, we will put it here. Another one here. Here. This place we have the door here, and okay, now that we finish this, we can go to level 0 and do the same work. Put the doors here again. Okay. Turn it, and again we do the same work here. So now we are finished with the door. So now we can change and start to put windows. So we can change and have the bigger one. So the same thing here. We go up and we'll do the same work. And we'll go back because we forgot to put the big entrance here, so we will go back and put it, doors, and you have this one we will use here. Also here. And now let us check again what we have. This is what we have. This is what we have, and let us go back because it doesn't make. This is doors. Yes. Okay, give the first one here, the next one here, and will be okay. So we go back again here. This don't need the up level, don't need this door, so you just remove it, and what we have. Let us check again in 3D, and this is what we have. Now it's time for us to put the roof. To put the roof, we just come back here, and like you see, I will start. And when I finish, I can also check what I want, and then when I finish, I will just click here. Okay, am I sure about the place? So let us check in 3D what we have. Is 2 down, so we have to put it here at this level. So that is what we do. Why we will choose it again, and we will say okay, we want it from roof, and you see now it's okay. You can choose it again and correct a little bit, and you see this is our building. This is our building. This is just my imagination, so don't look like okay it's a command or something like that. So it's just my imagination. Things are not so perfect, things are not so correct, but I just want to do it because just for training. This is just for training my imagination, so it's not precise and it's not a command for someone. I'm just doing it for the training. So this is what I wanted to share with you, just to exercise. I hope you are having a nice weekend, and I hope to see you next time. Have a nice weekend. Ciao.